Hello, Live Love readers. Today we are going to be reading the Cars and Trucks book by Todd Parr, the New York Times best-selling author. Vroom! It's another busy day for all the cars and trucks. Some cars are fast. Some cars are slow. Some buses take you to a vacation. Some buses take you to school. All cars and trucks love to be on the road. Some trucks help keep the streets clean. Some trucks help keep the earth clean. Some trucks help on the farm. Some trucks help in the city. All cars and trucks love to be clean. Some trucks deliver books. Some trucks deliver laundry. Some trucks wash dirty dogs. Some trucks serve hot dogs. All cars and trucks love to help people. Some trucks haul dirt. Some trucks play in the dirt. Some trucks carry trucks. Some trucks carry ducks. Quack, quack. And little fish. Some cars like to drive in the snow. Some cars like to drive to the beach. All cars and trucks love to say good night. Cars and trucks help us do a lot of things. But it's also good to take the bus or ride a bike. The end. Love, Todd. Always remember to be safe. Stop, look, listen. Safe drivers should wear seatbelts. Obey all traffic signs and lights. Watch out for pedestrians, which means watch out for people that are crossing the road. Never eat hamburgers while driving. Never speed. Watch out for animals. Watch out for bicyclists. People on a bicycle. Never bark, growl, or hiss at anyone. Never text or talk on their phones. Always be safe. Love, Todd. The end. Thanks so much for reading with me, you guys. Don't forget, like and subscribe. And be back for more awesome books. Toodles.